Appu has the largest library of rhymes and songs in the world, in English and many other languages.
I grow in bunches at the end of branches on trees wide but not tall. I spread my sweet scent in the air and blossom from early spring through fall. The national flower of Nicaragua to Mexico, I am native, but in every tropical country I am grown, as I am so adaptive. I have slightly overlapping 5 petals, waxy and thick they are. Even after I'm shed off my tree, I remain fresh all through the day. With pure white petals and a yellow center, I am mostly found. But my singular mixed shades of orange, pink and red will simply leave you spellbound. My tree is called a temple tree, an egg yolk flower tree too. So tell me what flower I am. I'm fascinating through and through. You are a plumeria, also called frangipani. It's such a pleasure growing you.
Like and share this video. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more musical fun.